There, you did it. What'd you say? Huh? What kind of noise is that? What is that? What are you saying? Talk to me. Talk to me. Talk to me. Come on. Tell me some peacock. Tell me some peafowl. Teach me some words. What are you saying? Oh, yeah? What's another one? Oh, you're going to interrupt me now. What are you doing? You telling me to leave? That's what you mean? That sounded like a burp. You trying to tell me you got indigestion? Huh? Finding your voice, ain't you? That's what you're doing. Finding your voice. Talk to me. Talk to me. Okay. How's your day? Huh? Is it all right? Just hung around the coop? I think you're scaring yourself when you talk. Yeah, you didn't even know you could do that, did you? Oh, that one over here made a noise. Were you done talking to me?
Jack, what are you doing, silly boy? What are you doing?
Boy playing with Jack and the turkey answering.
Are you being a dick? Are you being a dick? Hi, Gigi.
Okay, well, if you're done with the conversation,